Hello mga kahabi, we are here now at BGC Portal and today is Saturday morning sa Pilipinas. Maraming tao ngayon here that are waiting for people on the other location doon sa ating portal. So, wala masyadong tao doon sa kabilang portal. Pero kanina meron. This is located at Central Square, BGC. Start lang to this week. So, yeah, maraming tao. And they're having fun. And also, may mga nakita tayo din kanina sa portal. And they just wave. Yun.